Hello guys, this is Harshang Salvi, your host. You're watching Technoblend, and today we are going to talk about the OnePlus Nord CE 5G. So please stay tuned till the end of this video because I am going to tell you why you should not go for this smartphone. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to my channel Technoblend. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Let's start with the video. So OnePlus has launched its OnePlus Nord CE 5G. The CE basically stands for Core Edition, but I think it should be CCE. Why? It is Cost Cutting Edition, right? So if you want to know why I think it's a cost cutting edition, please stay tuned till the end of this video and I will tell you why you should not go for OnePlus Nord CE 5G. But till then, let's move ahead and talk about the performance and build quality of this smartphone. So talking about the performance and build quality of OnePlus Nord CE 5G, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G 7nm of octa-core processor, which performs 7 to 8% higher than the OnePlus Nord built-in Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G 8nm of processor, which is quite good as an upgrade for Core Edition. But in the build quality of this smartphone, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G is totally built on plastic body. It does not give you a premium look of the glass body as such as OnePlus Nord. But to cover that, they have provided you with the matte finish in this plastic body to give you a quite good finish or the premium look for this smartphone as well. So let's move ahead and talk about the display part. So talking about the display part of OnePlus Nord CE 5G, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G comes with 6.43-inch of Fluid AMOLED display, which provides you with 90 Hz of refresh rate, as same as OnePlus Nord. But what they have put in CCE edition, which is cost cutting edition, they have not provided you with HDR10 plus support, which is very important for smartphone ranging around 25,000, and they have also not provided you with the Gorilla Glass protection in this smartphone, which I seems is very important for any smartphone right now. So let's move ahead and talk about the camera part of OnePlus Nord CE 5G. So talking about the camera part of OnePlus Nord CE 5G, in OnePlus Nord CE 5G comes with triple camera setup with 64 megapixel of main camera, 8 megapixel of ultra wide camera and 2 megapixel of mono camera. In this smartphone you will get 10x digital zoom with you can shoot super slow motion videos up to 240 fps, which is better than OnePlus Nord. In talking about the front camera of OnePlus Nord CE 5G, you will get a single camera which is of 16 megapixel and you can shoot video record up to 30 fps only, which is again the CCE edition of this smartphone. Let's move ahead and talk about the battery part of this smartphone. So talking about the battery part of OnePlus Nord CE 5G, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G comes with 4500 mAh of battery with 30 volt of wrap charger in the box itself, which is better than OnePlus Nord 4115 mAh of battery. That's what we call the Core Edition smartphone. Let's move ahead and talk about some additional features about this smartphone. So talking about some additional features about OnePlus Nord CE 5G, the OnePlus has brought back the 3.5mm of headphone jack in this smartphone. The audio quality of this smartphone is a superliner speaker. They have not provided you with dual stereo speaker in this smartphone, which again is a part of CCE edition. Thanks, they have provided to you the noise cancellation support in this smartphone. The OnePlus Nord CE 5G comes with all the sensors such as proximity, ambient sensor, everything else, in-display fingerprint sensor. Let's move ahead and talk about the variants available for this smartphone. So talking about the variants part, the OnePlus Nord CE 5G comes with two variants, which is 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, and 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which are priced around 25,000 for 8GB RAM and 28,000 for 12GB of RAM. Let's move ahead and talk about the colors provided in this smartphone. Talking about the colors provided in OnePlus Nord CE 5G, you will get three colors, which are blue void, charcoal ink and silver ray. So talking about the inbox content for OnePlus Nord CE 5G, you will get the respective phone OnePlus Nord CE 5G with Wrap Charge 30 power adapter, with Wrap Charge Type-C cable, with SIM tray ejector, a phone case, a screen protector which is already pre-applied, with a brand stickers, red cable, club membership card, quick start guide, safety information, and you will also get the recycling and plastic SAR value card in the box itself. So here comes the main part and you all were waiting for, which is why you should not go for OnePlus Nord CE 5G without checking this list, right? So in the OnePlus Nord CE 5G, they have not provided you with the glass body, they have provided you with plastic body. First point, which is okay for a smartphone, we can manage that, but they have also not provided you with no HDR10 plus display, which for a phone price ranging from 25 to 28,000, there should be an HDR10 plus display supporting, right? And again, the main important part is that there is no Gorilla Glass protection for screen, and the most important part is this smartphone supports 5G, right? But in Indian variant, they have only provided you with 5G bandwidth, which is quite less. In future there can be many bandwidth, right? So this smartphone can be useless in future for India. But if you see on the other hand, for the European variant of OnePlus Nord CE 5G, they have provided 12 bandwidth for 5G. Yeah, these are the reasons why I think OnePlus Nord CE 5G is not worth 25 to 28,000 and OnePlus has made a big mistake. So this is all about today's video. What do you think about OnePlus Nord CE 5G? Are you going for this smartphone or not? Or do you agree with me? Please let me know in the comment box. So if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Techno Blend. I will bring you honest technology videos before anyone else. Till then, tata, bye bye.